Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and I'm going to start this project off with this heart that I got at Family Dollar. And it looks like it was supposed to be something that would be painted, but I'm going to cover it up. So you could really use any heart that you can find, even one from Dollar Tree. And I am going to trace it out onto the scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it came in one of the packs at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just going to cut that out. And once I have that cut out, I am going to Mod Podge it onto my heart. So first I'm going to make sure that it fits. And then just add some Mod Podge right over this part of the heart that's supposed to be painted. And once that's all covered, I'm going to lay my paper down and then just smooth it out with my hands. And then I'm going to wait for it to dry before I do anything else with it. So I'm just going to press it all down. And then once it was fully dry, I'm going to go around and sand off all of the excess around the edges. And I did stain the back of this. I just didn't do it on camera. So the back is all stained with some antique wax. Make sure that I get around all of the edges and get that nice and clean. Then I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to take this wooden X that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I am going to paint this with a maroon burgundy color. It matches the color of the flowers on the scrapbook paper. So I just kind of took my paper and matched it up to all my paints and then decided that this was the best color. So I'm going to cover that whole thing. Once I had that all painted and it was dry, I'm going to sand off the edges on this as well. Just making sure I get around all of the edges. And then I am going to take my antique wax and I'm going to go around the edges of my X. And I kind of brought some into the center also. And then just making sure that I get around the whole thing. And then once I had that done, I'm going to do the same thing around the heart, just around the edges where I sanded, cover up that white from the paper and give it more of a vintage vibe. And look how cute this is. So I thought that the X needed something, so I'm going to take some of this lace ribbon from Dollar Tree and I'm going to tie it in a knot. And then I took some other lace ribbon that I had also tied in a knot, and I'm going to put that right on top of that other ribbon. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue and just add that in. So this is two different styles of lace ribbon. And then I'm just going to slide a little piece of baby's breath behind both of those. And I think that really gave the X what it needed because the heart was so busy. I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it's so super cute, and I love the vintage, shabby chic vibe of it. I just think it turned out amazing. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.